Hey there, we're going to start out with Flamingo, then go to Watermelon, then Crimson, and then we're going to use the Marabu Olive Green for our leaves. So let's get started. Got paper on the right side. This one's a little waterier, and I'm hesitant, but I think it'll still be fine. But I'm going to let it kind of sit for a minute and see if I can't. That works. Not to have it in a puddle, but maybe string it out. Let it sit for just a sec. Okay, that's all. I'm going to do that. Now the next one, I want to stop it a little short where you can still see some of the pink. And what I'm going to do before I do the crimson, because I've run into trouble with this one, is I want to do the green first. I'm going to do this. Now, this is going to get tricky. I'm going to put it right here. I want to blow a little bit back into this, but I want to take most of it this way. All right, let me try this. I'm going to pull some of it back in here to where it looks like the green is coming up through the red. Ooh, I like that. Okay. We'll fill this little gap in right here. There. Okay. I am very pleased with that. It looks like that poor little flower is getting tethered in the wind. All right. Get my marker. All right, here's the stem. And I want it to look like maybe it's, oh, look, it all splattered. Pulling in the wind, so I'm going to bring it this way. Let that be my little stem. Now on the flowers, I want them to, the petals, I want them, no, the leaves, I want them to look like they're heading in the wind too. So let's do one right here. That, the splatter can be like where it blew it off the plant. Now I'm good with that. Now this one, I'm going to do something a little different. I'm going to let its little stem come around like the stem was coming out this side. So I'm going to overshoot this stem just a little bit. this in a little bit longer, I think, because that one. Now, I'll take this and I'm going to, nope, I think what I'm going to do is take a drop here. And I'm going to work it around like it came out of the stem. Clean your stylus off. Mine had a little red in it, but I like it, so I guess it's a good thing. And I'm just going to go mess this up a little bit because it looks too perfect. And off camera, I am putting a drop onto this stylus, and I kind of want to mess with that a little bit. And this lets the texture kind of keep in line with the stem and the flower. Now, I made a drip, so I was taking off of it. All right. Well, and there you go. So I hope this gives you some fun ideas, and y'all go have fun.